Invasive marine pests are a threat to the biosecurity of aquatic environments, fisheries, and other maritime industries. The pathway is often through the biofouling of a vessel's hull. This risk is expected to increase over the next 30 years as global shipping increases significantly. The economic impact of managing established pests could be substantial. It is far more cost-effective to prevent the invasion rather than attempting to eradicate or manage the pest after it is established. Currently, there is a lack of connectivity between authorities with the documentation of biofouling information, which in some cases is quite antiquated. VesselCheck is a cloud-based risk reporting tool that centralizes the storage of biosecurity data and management actions. It provides a consistent, transparent and automated risk calculation of a vessel's biosecurity risk in line with IMO biofouling guidelines. VesselCheck reduces the risk of marine pest invasion by raising pre-border awareness and education, improves reporting efficiency for vessels and regulators alike, and allows each authority to customize in accordance with their regulations. VesselCheck, powered by DHI.